In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new form editor. Whether you're setting up forms for capturing leads, conducting surveys, or collecting feedback, mastering this tool can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. First, head over to the HubSpot website. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button situated conveniently at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. This will prompt you to sign in. For ease and speed, you can opt to sign in with Google. Simply choose the Google account you wish to link with HubSpot, and you'll be swiftly signed into your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab. Hovering over this option will display a drop-down menu from which you'll want to select Forms. Clicking on Forms directs you to a page where all your forms are stored. It's your central hub for everything related to forms. Now, ready to create a new form? Locate and click the Create Form button. This action will take you to the form editor, the heart of today's tutorial. Here's where the fun begins. The form editor is your canvas. It allows you to craft a form that's tailored to your needs. Once you're in the editor, you'll see an option to click Next. Go on, give that a click to proceed to the next stage. The next step involves choosing a template. HubSpot provides a variety of templates designed for different purposes. Whether you need a simple contact form or a comprehensive questionnaire, there's something here for everyone. Browse through the templates, and once you find one that suits your requirements, select it to move forward. With a template chosen, it's time to start adding elements to your form. The editor offers a range of elements you can incorporate, such as text fields, drop-down menus, and checkboxes. To add an element, simply click and drag it into your form. It's a straightforward drag-and-drop process designed for simplicity and efficiency. As you add elements, take the time to customize each one to fit your specific needs. HubSpot allows you to adjust settings such as labels, placeholder text, and validation rules, ensuring your form gathers exactly the information you require. After you've carefully crafted and reviewed your form, it's time to publish your work. Look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll find the Publish button there. Clicking this will finalize your form and make it ready for distribution. And that's it. You've successfully created a form using HubSpot's new form editor. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become at using this versatile tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.